Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today, we are going to be doing the What's Inside the Box challenge. So we got our friend Will here, and he is going to be sticking his hands inside of the box and seeing what is inside. And if he can get all the items but one correct, he will get a gift card for somewhere. So let's get into it. Okay guys, first round is what's in that box.
It's peanut butter.
You sure? Is that your final guess?
Yes.
Okay. Correct. You can eat it.
Do I get to wash my hands? Better not be dog
Okay,
food.
guys. It's not. Okay, guys. We got this item.
Oh, gosh.
Okay, go for it.
What's the crud? Oh, it's hot! It's something baked. Ew, it feels like turd. It's food, I know that. Ew, it's all like... Okay, I have no idea.
Okay, take it out.
Ew! What the crud is that?
So, it is. I don't know what it is, but it's like filled with cream cheese and a jalapeno.
Oh, it's a jalapeno popper.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Ah, gross! Wait, I can't
Okay.
open them at all.
We are putting this one in there.
Ew, that feels like pee.
Maybe it is.
It couldn't be. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, it's honey.
No.
It's not?
You have two more choices.
You know you can open your
I can
eyes.
smell it.
Yeah, you can open your eyes now.
I can smell it. Oh, it's lotion.
Wrong again.
Oh, crap!
Here, this they use for babies. I'm editing this video right now, and I don't know what he was trying to do in this, but if you listen closely and after this next clip, you can hear it sounds like a motorcycle. Close enough. It was baby shampoo. I guess that's hair wash.
Yeah.
So you were right.
Ew!
And you're not allowed to wash your hands at all.
Let me see my hands. Ah.
Okay.
Ew! I heard you laugh.
Okay, guys. Next item. Hold your hands like you're getting a present.
What? Oh, gosh! Where is it?
Right there.
Ew, what the? It's like squishy. It's like an egg yolk. Oh, it's egg yolk!
Is that your final guess?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh. Someone answered my phone. Answer
Okay.
my phone. Say Will can't.
Here. That's what we're using. Okay. Put your hands out.
Crap, this one. I'm not getting enough. Oh, crap. It's not a punishment. It's
You ready?
anything else. Oh, that feels like freaking pee.
Honey, hello.
Oh my gosh.
Is it my mom?
Probably.
Oh, oops.
Yes.
It's mustard.
Oh, you looked. It won't answer. You try.
Answer it.
It won't answer. It won't
Right.
answer. Slut!
I'll try.
Your phone is cracked. No, it's not.
Oh, it's because it's old. It's because it's cold. It got
Lip.
frozen close.
That's it.
I didn't feel anything.
It's on your hands.
My hands are too coated.
Okay, hold
Oh,
on.
I
Close your
smell
eyes.
that. I smell it. Oh, that time I felt it. Everything.
Not watery, is it?
It's very watery, actually. Wait, I know what it is.
What?
Wait, let me take a whiff.
Wait, let me take a whiff.
Don't I get 3 chances.
Sure. That was your guess. So, should that count as 2 or 1 guesses?
1 guess.
Guys, I don't know what you guys, but when I'm not watching YouTube videos or Netflix, I like to listen to music. So, down in the link in the description, there is a Echo Dot for as cheap as I could get it that is still high quality. So go down the link in the description so that if you're at night, you can wake up in the morning or listen to music. It's down in the link in the description, guys. Go get it. Okay. Wrong.
Neither hair or body wash? It's not a mix, because that would be lying on your part.
That would be hard.
It's so gross! Oh, by the way, don't ever put mustard on cuts. It hurts really bad.
Okay.
Another guess is... It smells good.
Guys, there's a poll up in the corner right up here. Vote if you think he's gonna make it or not make it right now. Vote now, guys.
I don't... It might be something gross, but it smells good. Maybe not my nose is broken.
Okay, I'll give you 1 hint. It is not very wet. I'll give you a hint. It's not wet. It's actually very dry.
Why does it feel wet?
I don't know. It's very dry.
Are my hands like ruined?
But it's very easy to turn wet.
So it's not oobleck, because that's wet.
The oobleck's in there. It's like cornstarch now.
Oh, it turned wet just from the... Oh, your hands.
Yeah, I told you to, but you didn't listen. Okay. Ready yet? Your next guess?
So it's dry.
Yeah.
Is it something that has been dry?
No.
So it's always been dry.
You
It
know yet?
smells good, okay?
It does smell pretty good.
Okay.
Come on, search. And that is wrong.
Dang it!
Next guess.
Ah, it's my last guess, isn't it?
Yep. It is powder.
Powder. Such a giveaway. It's not baby powder. So it's not baby powder because one of you guys would be smiling. It's not.
I think there's all the powders. There's powdered sugar, there's powdered...
So
I don't know what else powder there is.
There's not powder. It's not powdered sugar because that'd be a dead giveaway. And it is for baking. It's not powdered sugar because it didn't smell like sugar.
Okay. Yo, it's dark out here now. The sun has gone.
I actually don't know. Our family doesn't use it, so. Powdered.
So
Wait, is the first part of it named powdered?
No.
Flour.
Okay, that's your guess? That's your guess. It was baby powder.
You said it doesn't have powder in it!
You said, does it have powder in the first part? No, it's in the second
It
part.
got wet because of my stinking
Yeah.
hands.
So much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And this video is the video that YouTube recommends. And this is the video that is recently uploaded. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next. And I'll see you guys next time.